Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the realities of teaching and everything that comes with it. Today I want to address a topic that is rarely talked about but is a harsh reality in some classrooms. Teachers getting bullied by students. Yes, you heard it right. Most of the time we hear stories about teachers bullying students, either commenting on them, disrespecting them, or insulting them. But the flip side, where teachers become the target of bullying, remains largely ignored. There's almost an unspoken expectation that if you're a teacher, you should just deal with it all quietly, as if it's a part of the job. But I strongly believe this issue deserves attention. Now, let me clarify. I'm not making this video because I have been severely bullied, but over my years in this profession, there have been small instances that I classify as bullying, and I know many teachers out there might relate to what I'm saying. Now, sharing my personal experience, I have been in this noble profession for over 10 years now, with 5 years in proper school teaching experience. And my during my first year, I experienced things that were quite unpleasant. I come from a background where I was taught by exceptional teachers who were disciplined yet respected. Naturally, I carried the same sense of discipline into my teaching. In my first year, I was strict with the students. I believed in discipline because it lays a foundation for learning. However, the students disliked me for being strict. Instead of communicating or understanding, they started doing petty things and in a disrespectful way, like putting stickers on my back during assembly, and then sprinkling dust on me. And the worst thing was deflating my vehicle's tire, puncturing my scooty's tire. At the time, I brushed it off, thinking it was their way of expressing frustration. But looking back, I realized it was bullying, plain and simple. At least this kind of behavior is not expected from grade 9 or 10 students. The next point is how bullying affects teachers. Thankfully, that school was the only place where I experienced such things. When I transitioned to teaching higher secondary and junior college student, it was completely different experience. The students were mature and respectful. Even if they got bored or distracted, they never crossed the line of disrespect. However, I heard many stories from my colleagues about the similar or worse experiences. For example, throwing objects or making inappropriate comments, laughing at and humiliating the teacher in front of the peers, getting personal or commenting on personal life. And the worst thing, one of the teachers that shared was one of the student deliberately was hiding to create chaos for the teacher during the school hour, and the teacher was in great trouble because of that student. These aren't just pranks or tantrums; they are intentional acts to undermine a teacher's authority and dignity, and this is done purposely. Now, the question is, why does this happen? One major factor is that this kind of behavior often targets new teachers, those who are unfamiliar with the class dynamics or the school culture. Students sense this and test boundaries. Another factor is a lack of initial support from the school management. When a new teacher joins, it's a crucial part of the management to introduce them positively to the students, emphasizing their roles as a valuable asset to the school. This builds initial respect and acceptance, which can prevent a lot of problems down the road. Now, what could be the possible solution? So, what can we do to address this issue? First, management's role: introduce new teachers formally and positively to the students, reinforce the idea that the teacher is there to guide, support, and enrich their life. Second point is teacher's role. Set clear boundaries and establish three non-negotiable rules for the classroom from day one. And consistency in enforcing this rule is key. Maintain patience but also know when to take action. If your dignity is at stake, involve the management and address the issue directly. The third one is support networks. School should have teacher unions or support groups where the teacher can voice their concerns and stand together. If such groups exist, teachers should be encouraged to join them. At the end of the day, as teachers, we must balance maintaining discipline with protecting our mental peace and self respect. This video is not just about my personal experiences. It's about shedding light on an issue that many teachers face but hesitate to talk about. Teachers, like everyone else, deserves to work in an environment of respect and dignity. To my fellow educators watching this, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you faced similar challenges? How did you handle them? Let's discuss in the comments and support one another in this shared journey. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my teaching channel for more discussion like this. Until next time, stay strong and keep inspiring. Bye bye.